Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can get Ezoic approval with little or no traffic, or let me say little traffic and quality content. And also I'm going to explain to you on how you can get free quality content for Ezoic approval. So if you are new to my channel, I welcome you here. My name is Abraham. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel now and hit the bell icon, change it to all, so you get notified of new videos. Let's get started. So I'm gonna show you my latest approval from Ezoic. This is my second approval so far from Ezoic. Let's check the email now. The email that was sent to me from Ezoic, so you can know that I am truly approved. You can see, "Hi Ayomikun, congrats. After reviewing your traffic, the kinggist.com.ng has been approved for monetization with Ezoic." You can see this website is just, let's say, almost 2 months old. It's almost 2 months old, and I got approval while the website was just 25 days old. So I'm gonna teach you in this video on how you can, on the step by step that I followed, and I got approval from Ezoic even with little traffic. So, and this is also my dashboard, so you can know that I've been approved and I've started making money. You can see the kinggist.com.ng. You can see this is my dashboard. So let's head over to the main business of today. So the first thing I did is I used a WordPress website, which will be very easy for me to install and manage. Okay, I'll log into my website dashboard now. So after you have installed WordPress into your site, or you already have a WordPress site, so the first thing is to check if your theme has demo content. Check if your theme has a demo content. Then we go to appearance, go to theme. Okay, this is the theme I use. It is a premium theme. So if you want to get this theme that I use, this is just 5,000 naira. Let me go to my site so you can see how my site looks like. Let's wait for it to load. You want to get this theme, which come with the demo content of over 67 quality content, but it's also a dummy content, and this is the content I used to get approval from Ezoic. So you want to get this theme, it's just 5,000 naira. It's a premium theme. It's just for 5,000 naira. Just check description for my WhatsApp number. Just contact me there on WhatsApp. I'm always active. I'll reply you as soon as possible. So you can see this is the theme. This is my website. You can see currently there's no ads here. It's because I'm already logged into my website. You can just visit my site, so I won't take much of your time. Just visit my site, thekinggist.com.ng. You will see Ezoic ads displaying. So let us move into the business of today. So okay, this is the theme I use. You can see the options here. You see customize, widgets, menu, import, demo, data, install plugins. So if your theme doesn't have something like import demo data, then you can't use that theme to get Ezoic approval, in a way that because the theme doesn't have demo content that I'm gonna use for approval. So because my theme has a demo content, you can see here, let's click on import demo data. My theme has a demo content, so I used this demo content to get approval to get Ezoic approval. So that's the first thing. After you have successfully imported the demo data from your theme, or after you have imported the demo content from this theme, if you have bought it from me, so the next thing is to set up your menus. Set up your menus, and for me, I will click on customize, because this is where it gets easy for me to edit my menus. It's when you import the demo data, the menu is going to be scattered. It's going to be just anyhow. You're going to edit it one by one. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Watch this video to the end so you can understand in details how I did this. Okay, now I'm already in the customization. So I'll click on menu now. So I'll click on main menu. So you see what I'm trying to say. You can see initially when I installed this theme, the menu was just anyhow, to just scattered. So the first thing is to remove the menu. And how can you remove the menu? Click on it like this, you scroll up a little bit, then you click on remove. After you have successfully removed all this in this menu here, everything in this menu here, then the next thing is to add new ones. So the first one, you can say, according to what I had here, I first added my home page, which is the home. So just click on add items here, then you click on home. You just click on home and it will automatically appear there. And you click back, this back button here, it's going to show you like this. The next thing is to choose your categories, because according to Google and according to my experience, I've learned that the categories in your menus will always show in your search engine. Like when someone search for your search your sites, those categories are going to show under the description. So to get more traffic from Google, stuff like that, so make sure your categories come first, then your pages, as I have just did it here. So if you can't do all these things, if you can't set your menu like this, just message me on WhatsApp. I'm going to do it for you, but at an affordable fee. Just an affordable fee. It's not going to be very costly at all. Just going to like helping you. So after you have set your theme, go to the menu, the main menu, which is at the top, and the footer menu. Set footer menu. Just your pages is okay for the footer menu. You can see about us, contact us, disclaimer, advertise with us, privacy policy, terms and conditions. That's okay, because these are the things Ezoic are gonna look before they can approve your website, because Ezoic use Google AdSense policy to approve their publisher's website. So if you don't follow Google AdSense policies, you can't get approval in Ezoic. But there is a better chance in getting Ezoic approval than AdSense. Wow, because if you have this demo content and you are getting just a little traffic, a quality traffic, not a bot traffic, not a fake traffic, then there is a chance that you're going to get approved on Ezoic. So after you have set those things, the menu, you go back. Let's wait for it to load. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so the next thing here is now to, after you have set the menus and the contents are already showing on your website, the next thing is to apply for, okay, the next thing is to generate traffic. If your site is already generating organic traffic, then you are good to go. And if your site is not generating traffic, you can use Facebook to generate organic traffic to your website. You can use Facebook to generate organic traffic to your website. So how can you generate traffic from Facebook, and which will come through Google or through a search engine which will looks like organic traffic? Check the description. I've made a video on how you can generate traffic from Facebook to your website, and it will looks like it's from Google, which we call organic traffic. This is 100% legit. It is legal. It's not something illegal that you can't do. You can try it on your blog and you see it's 100% working. Just check the description, the link is there. Watch the video and now you can generate traffic, because if you don't have traffic from Google or from any search engine and quality content, you can't get approved. You can't get approval of Ezoic. So let me just show you my traffic. You can see I have most of my traffic is from direct and social, organic. You see my traffic. You can see it's just a little traffic I had from Google. You can see unique visitors from search, just 17. You can see the impressions, see the clicks. So with this traffic I got approval from. So with this traffic I got approval. So this is the end of the video on how you can get Ezoic approval very fast. So in my next video I will explain to you how you can apply for Ezoic, the step by step on how you can apply for Ezoic from the beginning to the ending to the approval stage. Everything I will explain everything in details in the video. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is a great opportunity for you to subscribe now, and click on the notification bell to get notified of new videos. And most importantly, if you have not yet liked this video, support me now by smashing that like button. It's your boy Abraham. See you. Hoping to see you in the next video. Goodbye.